How people get up in the morning before the arrival of smartphones. And now let's see after the arrival of smartphones.
She is a fantasy. Sha-na-na-na, oh oh. Sweet as a harmony. Sha-na-na-na, oh oh. She's a mystery. Sha-na-na-na, oh oh.
Oh, what a change by meantime. How families share their food and bacon.
அதே காத்து வாசம் வேற, அதே மண்ணு வண்ணம் வேற, அதே மக்க வாழ்க்கை வேற, ஒண்ணு மட்டும் மாறவில்லை. மத்த நாட்டு சுவையெல்லாமே ஒத்த வேலை உடைய போல, சுத்தமான நம்ம சுவையோ ஆத்தா தந்த உசுர போல.
What about now? Now, no sharing, no caring. A playtime is used to be a fun time for kids. We used to play indoor, outdoor and other our traditional games. But now, how we are playing?
Boom, boom, robo-da, 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 boom, boom, robo-da, 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 robo-da.
Now, no gains, no physical access that really worry. Now let's see about how they consider their moral values. And now, how they are considering their moral values? Now, it's still that's not good.